Transportation in animals. Introduction. It is lunchtime. Preeti's family is at the dining table. Preeti looks at her plate and frowns. Her mother has served her spinach and she hates it. Preeti's mother directs her to eat it as it is good for her body. Preeti wonders how the food she eats reaches different parts of her body. In this lesson, we will discuss the process of transportation of oxygen, nutrients, and wastes from one part of the body to the other part. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to list the components of blood, describe the different types of blood vessels, explain the structure of heart, describe the functioning of heart, define heartbeat and heart rate. Understand the functioning of excretory system. Rahul participates in 100 meters race at his school. While running, he falls down and hurts himself. Blood oozes out of the wound for a while and then clots. His curiosity is aroused. He wants to know how it happened. Blood is a fluid that is essential for our survival. It carries oxygen and nutrients to body parts. It also carries waste away from body parts for removal. Blood consists of blood cells floating in a fluid called plasma. Plasma is yellow in color. 90% of it is water. Besides water, plasma contains hormones, proteins, glucose, and carbon dioxide. There are 3 types of blood cells: red blood cells, RBCs, white blood cells, WBCs, and platelets. RBCs are also known as erythrocytes. They are disc-shaped. They contain a protein called hemoglobin, which is rich in iron and gives the blood its red color. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to different parts of the body. WBCs are also known as leukocytes. They come in many different shapes. They produce antibodies to fight the germs entering the body. Platelets. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes. They are oval in shape. They facilitate the clotting of blood. Once when Rahul was unwell, his doctor recommends a blood test. The technician collecting blood samples first checks for a particular kind of blood vessel to prick and collect the blood. Is there more than one type of blood vessel? Yes. There are 3 types of blood vessels in our body: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are blood vessels with thick walls. They carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all the other parts of the body. Arteries are of 2 types: systemic arteries. They carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. Pulmonary arteries. They carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Veins are blood vessels with thin walls. They are close to the skin. They carry deoxygenated blood from the different parts of the body to the heart. Most veins have flaps known as venous valves that ensure that blood flows only towards the heart. These valves prevent the blood from flowing back. The pressure of blood in the veins is lower than it is in the arteries. Veins are of 2 types. Systemic veins. They carry deoxygenated blood from the different body parts to the heart. Pulmonary veins. They carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart.